channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy assorted muffin recipe. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So I'm starting off with the vanilla muffin premix, and I'm basically going to be measuring out all the wet ingredients as prescribed in the packaging of the premix. So while I do that, I just wanted to say that the good thing about this recipe is it's great for when you're hosting people over for breakfast. You can just use one premix and have different flavors of muffins. It just makes you look like you spend hours in the kitchen when you actually didn't spend that much time. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 different types of muffins. One will be in vanilla, the other one will be savory, and then the last one will be chocolate. So I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. I'll also have a few other variations available for you in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So I've mixed all the wet ingredients, so I'm just going to now go ahead and add the flour mixture, and then I'm going to mix this until I achieve a smooth consistency. So next I'm going to divide this into 3. So my pre-mixture makes 12 muffins, so I'm going to make 4 of each different flavor, and I'm basically just going to distribute it amongst these 3 bowls equally. So the first flavor that I'm going to be preparing is the chocolate muffin. So I'm making a plain chocolate muffin, and to that I'm just going to be adding some cocoa. And I'm basically going to add 1 full tablespoon of cocoa into that mixture, and then I'm just going to mix it up until it's nice and smooth and evenly mixed into the batter. So the second one that I'm going to be making is savory, and I'm just going to add some cooked diced bacon. It's just some bacon bits, and then I'm going to add some chopped onions into the mixture as well. And then I'll also be adding some pepperdews. I love these. They give it some like a nice sweet and sour taste. It's really nice, and it pairs well with bacon. So I'm just going to add some pepperdews, and then lastly I will be adding some grated cheddar cheese. And you can add as much or as little cheese as you want. You'll see in the description box I'm not giving quantities because it's all just specific to you. And I'm just going to leave out a little bit of cheese so that I can sprinkle it on top of the muffin once I have placed it in the muffin tray. So I'm just going to give that a mix. You'll also notice that I'm not adding any additional liquids, so the batter will rise. It's sufficient. It's not going to need any more liquids than what was prescribed in the pre-mixture. Okay, so moving swiftly along, I've got my baking tin, and I've just put my baking paper on the little tins, and basically what I'm doing now is I'm measuring out equal amounts of the muffin mixture. So like I said, it makes 12, so I'm going to measure out 4 of each flavor. If you're using a smaller pan, you will be able to come out with twice as much amount as I am. And we are basically going to prepare all of it on the different baking sheets, and then we're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes, or the amount of time that it prescribes on your easy mix. And then you just need to be careful. They take around about the same amount of time to cook as they normally would plain, so you don't need any extra time. And this is basically what our muffins are looking like after. This is absolutely amazing. It was tasty. I was able to refrigerate this for about 2 to 3 days, and it didn't go stale. Like I said, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. I hope you guys try this recipe out and you will enjoy it as much as we did. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.